Hey makers! Follow along with our tutorial on how to make your very own sea charm necklace and earring set, as well as how to use our spiral cages and create a sliding knot necklace using our picks for this month's sub-box. We've placed our focal charm, the seahorse, in the centre of the chain, and we're going to start by working up one side of the necklace. Thread your bead onto a headpin. Make sure you have left enough wire to create a loop before snipping off any excess. We recommend leaving roughly 1 centimetre. Take a pair of round nose pliers and twist the end of the headpin to create a loop. Neaten by ensuring the loop is central. Twist open a jump ring with your flat nose and snipe nose pliers and attach your bead to the chain. Twist the ring slightly past the closed position and then back again, letting the natural spring of the metal align the ends to a tight closed position for a secure fit. Pause for that well-deserved tea break. Use flat nose and snipe nose pliers to gently twist open a jump ring, adding your chosen charm and attaching the chain before twisting closed. Repeat these steps, working your way up one side of the chain until you're happy with the necklace design. If you're struggling to see the smaller findings or are finding this quite fiddly, then we recommend using a head magnifier to help you. Repeat the whole process with the opposite side of the chain. Be proud of yourself and admire your handmade sea charm necklace. We're now going to show you how to make earrings matching the necklace you've made, starting from the bottom to the top. Using snipe nose and flat nose pliers, gently twist open the loop of the eye pin before attaching your scallop charm and twisting the loop closed. Ensure the charm is secure with snipe nose pliers and a bit of added pressure. Then thread the beads onto the eye pin. Trim the end of the pin using side cutters, leaving enough room to enable you to create a loop using round nose pliers. Neaten by ensuring the loop is central. Carefully twist open the loop on the end of your ear wire with snipe nose pliers and attach the earring via the eye pin loop that you created. Gently twist the ear wire loop closed. Repeat these steps to complete the earring pair. Now you have a set of beautiful sea charm jewellery to enjoy. Finally, we're going to show you how to use our spiral cages and create a sliding knot necklace using the cord provided in the subscription box. Simply open these spiral cages with care as to not overstretch the spiral coil and insert your fluorite crystals. Thread the cord through the loop at the top of the cage. To create your sliding knot, cross the left end of the cord over the right end and wrap the left end of the cord around the right end. Thread the end of the left cord through the loops and pull both ends tight. Repeat this process the other side, resulting in your sliding knots, and trim any excess cord away. These spiral cages are also perfect for inserting any sea glass or finds from your favourite beaches, leaving you with a treasured jewellery design. Thank you for following along with us here at Kernowcraft, and we'd like to say a very big well done. We hope you've enjoyed the subscription jewellery kits that we've specially chosen, inspired by our Cornish coast. If you haven't already, sign up to our sub box, as we can't wait for you to see what we've got lined up for June.